10 things you must clean often for a healthier home. A clean home is a happy home. But with busy schedules, it can be hard to keep up with all the cleaning tasks. Here are 10 items that you should prioritize for regular cleaning to maintain a healthy living space. 1. Kitchen sponges and dishcloths. These harbor bacteria quickly. Replace them frequently or sanitize them regularly in the dishwasher. 2. Cutting boards. Regularly wash cutting boards with hot soapy water and sanitize them with a diluted bleach solution. 3. Kitchen sink. This area is a breeding ground for germs. Clean it daily with hot soapy water and a disinfectant. 4. Toothbrushes. Replace them every 3 months. Regularly rinse them with hot water after use. 5. Shower curtains and liners. These can accumulate mold and mildew. Wash them regularly according to care instructions. 6. Toilet brushes. These are notorious for harboring germs. Clean them regularly with disinfectant. 7. Light switches and door handles. These are high-touch areas that collect germs. Wipe them down regularly with disinfectant wipes. 8. Remote controls. Like light switches and door handles, these are often touched with dirty hands. Clean them regularly with disinfectant wipes. 9. Electronics. Phones, tablets, and keyboards can harbor bacteria. Use a soft, slightly damp cloth to clean them regularly. 10. Mattresses and pillows. These can accumulate dust mites and dead skin cells. Wash pillowcases and mattress covers frequently and vacuum your mattress regularly. By focusing on these 10 items, you can significantly improve the overall cleanliness and hygiene of your home. Remember, prevention is key, so regular cleaning is essential for a healthier living environment.